बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम निश्चित समाकलन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। यदि हमको समाकलन के साथ उसका परिसर भी दिया हो, अर्थात हमको कहाँ से कहाँ तक इंटीग्रेट करना है ये दिया हो, या फिर लोअर लिमिट एंड अपर लिमिट दिया हो, तब हम उसको निश्चित समाकलन या डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल कहते हैं। इफ़ वी आर गिवन range of integration also, then we say that given integral is definite. Some important terms and formula related to definite integral. कुछ महत्वपूर्ण सूत्र एवं पद निश्चित समाकलन से संबंधित। फर्स्ट, इंटीग्रेशन एज लिमिट ऑफ एडिशन। समाकलन को हम योग की सीमा के रूप में भी ले सकते हैं, जिसका फार्मूला integration from a to b fx dx limit h tends to 0 h into under curly bracket fa plus h plus dash 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 plus f a plus n minus 1 into h, or limit n tends to infinite r equal 0 to n minus 1 summation of f a plus rh into h equal a to b fx dx. Second, a to b fx dx can be written as negation of integration of b to a fx dx. And third, a to b fx dx can be written as a to b ft dt. In other words, x can be written in form of another variable when its limit remains same. And fourth, a to b fx dx can be written as a sum of integration of a to c fx dx plus integration of c to b fx dx. And then fifth, integration of fx dx from 0 to a can be written as integration of f a minus x dx from 0 to a. Then 6, integration of fx dx from minus a to plus a can be written as 2 into 0 to a fx dx if fx is a even function, and integration of fx dx from minus a to plus a equal 0 if given function fx is an odd function. And then 7, integration of fx dx from 0 to 2a can be written as 2 integration of 0 to a fx dx if f 2a minus x equal fx, and the value of this integration will be 0 if f 2a minus x equal minus fx. And then eighth formula, if fx defined in interval, in other words closed interval a to b, and small m less than equal fx less than equal capital M, then this can be written as m into b minus a less than equal a to b fx dx less than equal capital M into b minus a. Now some applications of the above formula. First, integration of dx divided by 1 plus 10x this can be written as integration of dx upon 1 plus upon cos x, or integration of cos x dx upon cos x plus sin x. Let I equal integration of cos x dx upon sin x plus cos x in given range. Now use fx integration of fx 0 to a equal integration of f a minus x we have I equal or I equal 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx upon cos x plus sin x. This is second equation. Now adding equation first and second. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड हम पाते हैं 2i equal 0 to pi by 2 dx or 2i equal integration of given function in interval 0 to pi by 2. This means 2i equal x 0 to pi by 2 or I equal half pi by 2 minus 0. This means I equal pi by 4. This is the answer. Now one more questions. Let I equal 0 to pi sin raised to the power mx cos raised to the power 2m plus 1x dx. Using This implies that I equal 0 to pi sin mx cos raised to the power 2m plus 1x dx. This can be written as equation second. Now adding equation first and second, we get 2I equal this implies that I equal 0.